Hey guys, we're back again with another video today.
I'm Sel.
And I'm Cyn.
And today we are doing Birria tacos.
Birria tacos.
Birria tacos.
Yeah, whatever it is, you know. But we have never tried these before, so we're so excited.
So excited.
We got them from our homegirl, our local. This is our local little Mexican spot. They just be moving around different locations. You gotta follow them on Instagram to see where she'll be at next.
Yes.
Yes. So it's called Chinganas Tacos. Boom.
Boom.
Okay. So she hooked us up. So I'm so excited about this. Let's just show them the sauce. Ooh. So this is what we're gonna be dipping our tacos in. Let's smell it.
Yes.
Yes.
All right.
I hope we don't make a mess. This is for you.
Okay.
Okay. You gonna pour it on?
No, I'm about to like dip it.
I'm gonna pour this.
Okay, you go, girl. All right, so let's get into it.
Oh, let's take a picture.
Okay.
Okay. So these are beef and cheese. I got onion and cilantro. I got, the work. She didn't get no onions.
Oh,
So
gosh, this
we'll
can get
see
kinda
how
messy.
this goes. You got to dip it in the sauce.
I did.
Nah, that's not the sauce, boo.
Which one?
That's the sauce.
Okay.
I'm dead. Oh God. Oh my God.
Okay.
Look at this.
Oh man.
Mm-hmm. It's a 10, huh?
This is a 15 out of 10.
For sure. These are so good, you guys. Oh my God.
Mm-hmm. You guys gotta
Do the
try
dance.
this.
You gotta do the dance.
This is amazing.
Okay, stop. Show them that inside. Ooh, oh my God, do you see this?
Take
Do
a
you
bite,
see this?
guys. Go ahead, take a bite.
Oh my God, we're just dripping everywhere.
Oh my God, these are so good. I'm gonna eat all of them.
Oh my God, we didn't even tell you. That's just the beginning of our video today. We're gonna be going in on some Mexican candy. We're about to taste a bunch of good stuff and let you know what we think, what we like. So after we mess these up, we're not gonna eat all of it on camera, but we're about to pull out some treats for y'all. The lime, girl. You need to get in on that.
That's so good.
Oh my God, I'm dripping. I'm dripping all over
It's
my
cool.
nose sweatsuit.
It's cool. Take it to the dry cleaner. These are really
Clearly, because this is what we gotta deal with. We gotta make it work. This is about to have me here all day looking silly. So
You got this. I believe in you. Come on, you got this, girl.
yeah, I don't think
Bro,
so. Oh,
let
I
me
got it! Wait, don't give up on me.
Ooh, you saw that.
Cheers, man! We did that. Picture.
Okay. Okay.
We got
It tastes like this stuff that, like,
mandarin flavor.
it tastes like this stuff that like my old Mexican babysitter used to give me. Poquito español.
Cállate, please. We don't speak no Spanish, okay?
She doesn't speak Spanish. I speak a little Spanish.
I don't understand a word, but I do love me some tacos.
This sauce is like amazing.
keep
I'm not even really
forgetting.
sure what it is.
I could forget.
But it is really good, you guys. It's like,
It's like,
that was amazing. Amazingly good. Definitely make sure that you guys go hit our girl up because
These are hits.
these tacos are fire. Amazing.
We can't eat it all because we got hella snacks coming up. So we are gonna move on.
Move on and try
But
some of these later.
this was a 10. She says a 15.
15 out of 10, girl.
Okay.
20 out of 10.
Oh, they do! My God! I'm here. Give me a boost. Here, hold this.
You can't get up there.
Hold my card.
Girl,
Hold my card.
okay.
Do not let me fall.
Go. I got you. She is attempting. Leslie.
Yeah! Woo! Don't let me fall.
She got this. Okay, anyways, so today we have lots of candies. What should we get, guys? So much to choose from.
The next thing we're gonna try is this. This is a churro cupcake
Yes.
from our girl Solid Sweet. We're gonna try this together, girl.
Yeah.
It's a mess. I mean, well, it's making a mess. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna take a bite first. Oh!
Okay, I'm gonna try this side. Okay, so check this out, guys. I want to bite of the churro.
The churro is the best part. It's bomb. It's bomb, y'all.
Another bite.
That's another 10. Dang, girl, you finna save me, son. Oh, shake titty. Okay, we're gonna eat this up later. That was a 10, y'all.
It was definitely. Okay.
We just had to get some of that energy out.
Anyways,
okay?
yeah. All right, so moving on, guys.
Start.
We are gonna start at.
Close your eyes. Just pick something. Why are you gonna mess up those ones first? I'll be over it. Go,
Okay,
open it.
so you guys, these are called Lucas Sala Segati, I think. Okay, so open one up.
Oh, that was just gonna share.
No.
I don't want to mess up our little thing. So, this thing can mess a lot of me.
Okay, so basically, you're gonna take it out like that. And you got a cute little tray.
What is it? Like spaghetti?
No, it's like a gummy snack. And then you're gonna put this little chile on it.
Lucas Gasano. Oh, like that little thing. Okay.
It's so good. It's so good. Okay.
This
so
is like spaghetti Lucas.
it's really good.
That's probably what the.
Okay, so then we're gonna pour it on.
Do I need a fork with this?
Yes. No, sis. Okay. You put however much you want.
I want all of it.
I don't want to put too much.
I put it all.
You go, girl. Okay. So now take a couple. Oh, dang.
Ooh.
Ready? I told you. I told her these were good.
I was about to say I haven't had these before.
Woo!
gonna give it like
What do you give it? Out of a 1 to 10, what do you give it?
a 7.
Okay.
A 7. I can't serve it.
I give these like a 9.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, she's
Really good,
generous. She's generous.
I like those ones. Those ones are fire.
I want to.
Close your eyes and pick. You gotta close your eyes and pick.
I'll pick these. I know what they want and where they were. Okay. De La Rosa Mazapan Original. So surprisingly, I've never had these either.
I have.
So
Let's see if she likes them.
uh-oh. Cute. Oh no, I broke mine.
It falls apart.
You broke yours too?
It always does. So look it, just take a bite. Okay, ready?
So you lying if you say you like that. So peanut butter is not for me. This is like
That's like a
the inside of a Reese's.
that's like a 0 for me.
No, I'm gonna give it a 4. I'm gonna give it a 5 because
I don't like peanut.
it's
taste.
not
It tastes
bad.
like a peanut
I'm not a
butter.
peanut girl though.
Ooh, let's try one of these.
Like carrot and spoons with. I never had them. Have you had them?
Yes, I eat these all the time. I love these.
I guess I'm lost.
I love them. They're so good.
My mama went American on my ass. You eat them? Oh, ooh, I still got wrapper on mine. I like it. I'm so mad that you guys have not given me one of these.
I always have these. I can't believe you haven't had one.
You're mean. Mean family. Mean family. Okay.
These are so good though.
This is like this.
Yeah.
In this.
Same thing.
Cheers. Nope. I can't choose. I just licked the
Bitch.
whole spoon. Ah! No! She attacked me. No! Okay. Good thing we have more of those. Okay.
Alright, that was really yummy.
Alright, you pick those. These chicles that
Chicles!
my sister.
I love chicles.
She wanted to try these so badly, even though everybody knows
These are
these.
chicles, canals. So fire. This is bubblegum flavor. This is my favorite flavor ever. My very favorite.
You put them all in your mouth at one time. That's what I'm gonna do.
You can, or you can mix them, but I don't highly recommend that.
But it just tastes like soap.
It's so good.
I'm eating soap right now.
Which flavor did you get?
Soap. But can you pop a bubble with this?
Not really.
You can't even.
These are from the hood. You can't do the bubble. You just get to taste the flavor.
This flavor of soap. Oh my god, did we even rate the last candy? Okay, wait.
Yes, we did.
I didn't give it. I give this at 8. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay. That was bomb.
Yeah, I give it this an 8 too. Agree.
Okay, this.
So good.
Just because it's pretty legendary bubblegum, I'm gonna give it like a 4. A 4.
I'm gonna give these chiclets a 10. Ding, 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 ding.
Right, I'm done. Okay. Now we're trying these.
What are these?
Mango. Bolonchas. Mango candies. Bolonchas. And you guys can definitely make fun of how we're pronouncing things. It's okay.
Tamarindo candies.
Oh, you got the tamarindo one. Oh, wait.
What'd you get?
I got mango.
Okay. I got tamarindo. Okay, so show them what it looks like.
That gum was kind of spicy.
This is what it looks like, guys. It was like a big ball of chile. Oh, look at mine is dark and yours is light. Okay, do we bite it? Oh, don't do that.
It was bomb.
What's in the inside?
I don't know.
That was very good. It's a little salty.
I like it.
I like it too.
You didn't bite it.
I'm not gonna bite this.
Why not?
Anyways, I give this one like, I don't know, like a 5 for sure. I give it a 5.
I'm gonna give it a 7. Like,
You go,
give it a
sis.
7. It's
Okay.
good.
Ooh. Very crunchy. Okay, so moving on. Let's see. How about, so this one right here.
This one I'm not excited about.
It's okay. This one is called Duvalin Bisabor. Did I say that right, guys? Comment below if I did.
Duvalin? I don't know.
Anyway, so this one is gonna be chocolate and vanilla flavored.
It's like pudding.
Yeah, kind of.
Here. Here. Take your spoon.
Okay.
Wait. I didn't open mine. How
Open
do I
it for
open
them. Show the people.
It's on the microphone.
Oh, okay. All right. So this is what it looks like, guys.
Ooh.
This is good. No wonder I still have the little kids be eating this. It's literally like chocolate. It's like chocolate. And then like, let's try this one.
I mixed them.
You can do that. The white one's really good too. These are actually really good.
I don't like it. I give this a 2.
I give this one like, okay. So we are now about to try one of these amazing payasos.
Paleta payaso.
Basically, it means clown. Hard. Okay, hold on.
This is like a puzzle.
Okay, we got this. How do little kids do this? Okay, so y'all ready? Look it.
No, we is not ready.
Oh my gosh.
What?
He looks so scary.
Yo, I got played.
Oh.
I got played. Why does life do me like this?
Okay, guys. So this is what it's supposed to look like on the bag.
All right.
And this is what it looks like.
I shoved it through its brain.
Good job. Like candy, like, I don't know, sugary eyeballs.
I have a problem.
And
with
it has a little red mouth.
I
So
don't like
you got played, sis.
I don't like cinnamon. I mean, not cinnamon. I don't like sugary stuff with
Okay,
chocolate.
come on, let's take a bite.
I don't like gummies.
Are you
Zero
ready?
time.
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Basic. That's how I got. Basic. Oh, she likes basic.
You guys want to bite?
You can have a bigger bite from mine because I don't like it. I rate you
so
a 1.
good.
I rate you a 1.
Excuse me? I give this a 20 out of 10.
This is basic. There's like it's like a pad of marshmallows.
I love marshmallows and chocolate.
I need some nuts.
I love
Need
marshmallows.
some like walnuts.
This
or
is
something.
definitely a 20.
Like Rocky Road. He's dancing too.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye. Bye. Nothing. Okay. Oh, sorry, my bad. Do you have to take all of them out at one time? Seriously? Damn.
I thought we had to eat it all
Okay,
together
okay.
at
No,
once.
you crazy person. Okay. So, guys, these are called...
These are literally communions. The communion
Oblesa or
Oblesa.
Razapada. So they're basically wheat flour, water.
Wafers.
Yeah.
That's what you get at church when you go to
These are way better.
Catholic
Trust
school
me,
your whole
sis.
life. Like,
Okay, you gotta get a different color.
I'm good because I don't want green.
What color do you want? I like green. Green's my favorite color.
Flush money. But she already got it.
We could do. You want to do one with me? You want to do green?
I want to do all of them.
Oh my god. Okay.
You can go now.
Okay. Ready? Let's take
Stop.
a bite.
Go.
Go.
Bitch.
Mm.
You're faking hella hard.
It tastes like
Communion.
No, bro. That's that one tastes different. Let's try a different color.
That's not candy. That's not candy. There's no different flavor.
Ooh, I want to taste the purple
That's
one.
food coloring, girl.
So this is kind of tastes like to me. I give this like a
0, -50.
Okay, well, I give this an 8. My
This
god,
is good.
These are like really good. Whoa, it's a little sour though.
I'm gonna bite you in the end. I'm going crazy.
These ones are fire.
Watermelon, not watermelon. Mango bomb.
Those are good.
Okay.
Okay, I've never tried that one before.
Watermelon.
You try that one. No, wait, I want to try watermelon.
Okay.
Okay.
So I already opened it. That's what it looks like. They're good. They're good. They're all good.
That's
All
hella
good.
good.
Huh.
That is hella good.
Try the last one. Get the last one.
Oh my god. It like makes your eye all sour.
Like, I like it.
Okay, so this one is like the original one.
Original. We went.
This is like original, like this is the one. But these are fire.
They're all fire.
Yeah.
Like, we need to just have fire signs everywhere right now.
I give this one a 10.
Okay, I give this one a 10. I give this a 11, and then I give it 12. Okay.
Okay. All right. So now we're gonna move on to these little Mexican flags. How cute are these? Oh wait, let's take a picture. Okay, go. Okay, so
I can do the what? Do the sides taste different or something? The colors? Or
no,
what?
it all tastes the same.
Okay.
Okay. So here's what it looks like.
It's a coconut.
How cute is that?
These are coconut banderitas.
These are so yummy.
Coconut banderitas.
Wanna bite?
That's just coconut.
It's just like coconut. I have a green side now.
I'm gonna give it a 5.
I'm gonna give these a 9.
Damn, I'm hella picky.
She's a very picky person. But
I got the standards like a boss.
okay.
She's like, okay, then I can do that.
It's not funny, Cynthia.
Is there instructions?
Girl, you don't know how to open this up? Come
Girl.
on, no. Oh, whoa. I'm just gonna take the whole damn wrapper
That's how I'm
off. Because I
feeling,
can't.
because I'm like,
There's
what?
no other way.
I'm just,
Okay, so we just took the whole wrapper off. Look, it looks like a bottle of ketchup.
why did you do that?
Okay, so look at that.
I think I'm getting lip gloss all over me.
Okay, so look at now. What we're gonna do, guys, is squeeze it up.
Wait for me, bro. Stop
takes
playing
too
with
long.
me. Okay, how do I open it for me? Okay.
Wow. Like,
Mine
oh
was
my
already
god.
open.
Okay, so basically it's really hard to push down, so you could just like go like this if you want. Just like push it down like that. It's so hard.
Try to do it. Oh, Arson, don't be a
Look
wimp.
it looks
Don't
like
be a wimp.
Ha!
I'm not gonna be a wimp though. I'm gonna do
Go
it.
ahead, girl, do it.
I'm gonna do it. I'm not playing. Whoa! Yes, honey, you see this? Oh my God! You put it on me.
Look how much I got. Okay. Oh my god, look how big mine is. That's good. I kind of pushed a lot out.
I think the little ones are better though because.
But
it's
you gotta go
easier.
like this. Come on.
Bro, I'm good.
Okay.
Look what happened when you did that. You got too much.
This is really good. Okay, so definitely I give this.
Oh, you did not.
Yes, I did.
The point of
for
it is
real,
to lick it clean.
Go for it, sis.
I am.
Anyways, I give this a 10 because this one is like one of my favorite Mexican candies for sure.
All clean.
Okay.
All clean. Put the top back on, and then you're good for with this one at least a month.
Oh yeah.
Okay. The last thing we have is our boops.
Okay.
Here,
Oh.
Here, my sis.
Oh, thank you. Oh, you're so kind. Okay, so look at these ones are the ultimate.
Turn it in. These are the best
The best.
of the best.
And these are sandias, and they are con chili watermelon. Oh my god, how do you open it?
It's really sticky for some reason, huh?
That's all the chili on it. Watermelon flavor with chile. Okay. Cheers.
Why are they so sticky? I think you got the.
Oh my god, these are so good. I like these ones. These are good. Shout out to all of our subscribers. We love you all. Thank you again for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe below.
Guys, let us know what you want to see us eat in the next video in the comments below. And then until then, we will see you on our next video. Bye.
Bye.